Good morning, 7th class. Today our topic is division of two integers. If we divide two integers, there are some methods. If we divide integer with a negative integer, we will get a negative integer. If we divide a negative integer with a positive integer, we will get a negative integer. If we divide a negative integer with the negative integer, we will get a positive integer. Let me take an example. First, find minus 100 divided by 5. Here minus 100, it is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. If we divide 100 divided by 5, with the divisible, it is divisible by 5. Now what we have? Minus 20 over 1. When a negative integer divided by a positive integer, we will get a negative integer as a answer. Let me take another example. When we divide a positive integer with a negative integer, 125 is a positive integer and minus 25 is a negative integer. We divide by on table of 25. Now what we have? 5 over minus 1. When we divide a positive integer with a negative integer, our answer will be a negative integer. Now we take another example. When we divide a negative integer with a negative integer, minus 36 is negative integer and minus 4 is also negative integer. It is divisible by 4. What we will get? 9. Minus cancel with minus. If both are negative integer, we will get a positive answer.
Done.
If we have check if this we have a statement. First of all, we know that if we have a bracket, we have to use a rule of BODMAS. For it, in the rule of BODMAS, first of all we have to solve bracket. So first of all we will solve this bracket. But if we have a equal point, then we have first of all we take left hand side. On the left hand side, first of all we solve this bracket. Then what we will get? Minus 16 divided by 4. Minus 16 is a negative integer and 4 is a positive integer. Then what we will get? Minus 16 divided by 4. And what we will get? 16 divided by 4 minus 4 over 1. Divide by 2. Minus 4 divided by 2. What we will get now? Minus 2. Now we will take right hand side. Right hand side. Minus 16 divided by 4 divided by 2. First of all we will solve bracket. 4 divided by 2. Both are positive integer. Then what we will get? 4 divided by 2 is 2. And when we divide minus 16 by 2, what we will get? Minus 8 by 1 and minus 8 we have. Now on the left hand side we have minus 2 and on the right hand side we have minus 8. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Minus 2 is not equal to minus 8. On the basis of it, students try to solve some of your book exercise number 1.2. Thank you so much, students.